Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Wednesday, August 21st, 2024. Aave deploys Aave v3 on ZKsync era. Optimism announces the Sunnies Awards. Remix project releases version 0.53.0, and base names surpasses 10,000 registrations. All this and more starts right now. Aave deployed Aave v3 on ZKsync era mainnet, extending its liquidity and lending services to the Layer 2 network. The deployment follows a successful governance vote with unanimous approval from Aave token holders. The initial markets will offer lending and borrowing for USDC, USDT, wrapped Ether, wrapped staked Ether, and ZK tokens. The integration uses Chainlink for reliable price feeds. It also includes the expansion of Aave's native stablecoin Go to ZKsync era. The Aave DAO plans to redistribute airdrops received from the ZKsync ecosystem to Aave users through liquidity mining incentives. Although the execution payload has been deployed on ZKsync era, the markets are not yet live on Aave's front end at the time of recording. Optimism announced the Sunnies, an awards ceremony celebrating creators and applications across the superchain, offering 540,000 OP tokens in prizes to the winners. Builders who have deployed mainnet contracts on any of the 15 OP stack chains within the superchain are eligible to submit their projects for nomination. Instead of a voting system, the winners will be selected using a framework developed by Open Source Observer, which evaluates projects based on on-chain data. The Sunnies will provide over 20 awards across creator, social, DeFi, utility, and Farcaster tracks. The winners will be announced during a live stream on September 18th. And lastly, Remix Project, a web-based IDE for Ethereum development, released version 0.53.0, introducing new keyboard shortcuts for file management, updates to the Zircon plugin, and the ability to publish multiple files to Gist. The Zircon plugin now offers a step-by-step interface for generating proofs, updated templates, Plonk as a proving scheme, and options for selecting constraints, exporting verifier contracts, and advanced configurations. Remix is a toolset for developing, testing, deploying, and debugging Solidity smart contracts. In other news, base names surpasses 10,000 registrations, the graph supports Arbitrum Nova, and Vitalik releases a blog post on his plurality philosophy. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on X at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.